Free repair lesson, how to apply CA glue. If you have a piano with loose tuning pins, one of the repairs is to tighten them up with CA glue. The first step is to tilt the piano, using a piano tilter. Then place the tilter under the piano and tilt it back. Use ultra-thin CA glue. This ultra-thin CA glue from Bob Smith Industries will allow the glue to soak in between the pin block and the pin easily. Make a pool of glue at the bottom of each pin. Here we are applying the glue to the bottom of each pin using the applicator that comes with the bottle, trying carefully not to get any glue onto the coils. Make a pool at the bottom of each pin and allow some time for the glue to soak into the pin block. If the pool disappears, make a second application of the CA glue. After about 4 hours, tilt the piano back up and close up the tilter. Move the piano back, lifting where possible to avoid scratching the floor. When first tuning, go flat to first break the glue joint. Then tune the piano as normal. This is how you fix loose tuning pins with CA glue. You know, the number one thing that you can learn that will help you do a better job at tuning pianos and being a better piano technician are repairs, regulation, and voicing. Also, you may not know this, but Barry Bradshaw wrote in his recent book, How to Earn $200,000 a Year Tuning Pianos, that piano tuning is the lowest wage activity that a piano tuner can do. You are making the lowest amount of money per hour when all you're doing is tuning pianos. If you want to make more money and provide a better service for your customers, learn how to regulate, voice, and repair pianos. Click the link on this page somewhere and watch more free lessons on repair, regulation, and voicing. Click the link in the description for more free repair, regulation, and voicing lessons.